In this video, we will show how progressive rollouts can be performed using a Canary strategy. We can see here that a custom cluster blueprint has been applied which contains the Argo Rollouts add-on. Here, we have set up a GitOps pipeline which contains a single stage which will deploy a workload. The pipeline is triggered from a commit of the Git repository which contains the workload manifest file. Now, we will run a simple loop which connects to the web server workload. The web server will return the version of the application. Next, we will update the workload manifest file directly in GitHub with a new version. Once we commit this update, a webhook will be sent to the GitOps pipeline, which will update the workload version using a Canary strategy. Only 40% of the workload will be upgraded initially. We can now see that the web server version was updated on only a portion of the application.